Here's a handy little item for computer users. It's the multifunction hard disk docking station. This particular unit features two SATA drive bays. It also features SD card reading and miniature card reading. Also has two USB ports on the front that can be used as a hub. And in the back it has your power connections, on and off switch. Has an eSATA connection as well, and the primary USB connection to hook it to your computer or whatever else device you're hooking it to. Now this comes with a USB cord for connection between the docking station and the computer. Comes with a power supply. It is rated for 12 volts and 3 amps. It's very adequate for the devices, and it comes with its own power cord as well. This features offline duplication process. You can do this at a push of a button to clone two SATA hard drives. Also, this is a plug-and-play device. You can put it on any kind of computer running any kind of operating system. I've used it on Linux, Windows XP, Windows 7, and it's also available to be used on Macintosh as well. This unit is the model number WLX 892U2S, and it will support both SATA hard drives at the same time. Price on that is $41 delivered. It's available at www.compuneer.com. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.